Hey guys, I got a really exciting one for you today. This is the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. It is the Sounds of the Force game. Now this was released in 1997. I put it on practice mode. You can play by yourself against a computer. You can play against other people, or you can just practice. Not that practice really helps because there's 16 choices and unlimited almost sounds. So let's try it. We turn it on here. We hit start. And that's basically it shuffling the sounds. So then you push this.
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
And now I need to find Obi-Wan Kenobi saying Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Use the Force, Luke.
I did not. So
Let the Wookiee win.
now I need to find Let the Wookiee Win. And so on and so on. And basically you need to get 4 in a row lit up to win.